If you don't want to repeat, don't sow it. You can't be dancing around another person's husband and expect to have a happy home. Ruth chapter 3 and verse 1. Marriage is for rest.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Simply Nono Obi. Welcome back to yet another video. If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please endeavor to do so. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will of course I'm gonna be so glad you subscribed. Okay, and I can see you guys are loving my videos. I can see the views that are coming through. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I just brought up a few things for you guys. This pastor here was describing Judy the way it's supposed to be. Judy Yul-Edochie, as internet calls her, the husband snatcher. As internet calls her, Akwuna. I don't know, but these are the little things that matters. I saw this video of this pastor online.
If you don't want to repeat, don't sow it. You can't be dancing around another person's husband and expect to have a happy home. Ruth chapter 3 and verse 1. Marriage is for rest. You can't be sleeping around, sleeping with your boss. You know he's married. Even if he's not married, you are not married, and expect to have peace and rest. You can't be cheating on people and expect to do exploits. Some people are in prison, financial prison, emotional prison, marital prison, health prison. Today, according to Acts chapter 16, we command an earthquake. The doors, because the Lord said to me that we should do a prophetic dance. So get ready.
I loved how this pastor was a bit tactical. If you see in the beginning of the video she made, if you hear the beginning how she started it, you know she's talking to Judy Edochie directly, but she didn't want to mention them. She was talking to her, obviously, who went to go and take somebody's husband and is still rejoicing, still coming to the internet and bragging about it. There's no other person than Judy Edochie, right? So we knew she was talking about her, but she spoke about her there, and of course the internet brought it out and put up Judy's picture there, which you guys can see. And from there she also touched other things, other angles of, infidelity and of course marriage and so on and so forth. See, let me tell you, except you're a bad person, except you're a wicked person, I don't know what to say, but if your heart is clean, there is no way you'll be in support of what Judy did. Do you understand? If you don't know, Judy Yul-Edochie was in a marriage. She was in a marriage where she has already had like 2 children for that man. And from the time she was in that marriage to the time she's doing all those things she's doing with you, it means that she was already committing adultery. Because even when she and Yul started earlier on, the man that owns the other baby with Jude came out to fight and said that last baby Yul-Edochie is claiming to be his baby is actually his own baby. You get, it's actually his own baby. And they went back and forth. I don't know if they went for DNA, I'm not sure, but the man is sure, because the man is tracing it from the time that woman gave birth, that they were still living together. Even though they were having problems, they were still living together. And the internet in-laws are angry because they're like, Judy has a mother. How come? Is it that she's not listening to her mother, just like Yul is not listening to his daddy? Is it that she's not listening? How can you be a mother and you let your child to be in the middle of this kind of mess? Because for me, it's a mess. It's a mess. It's not clean, because anything that is not clean has its percussion. It's not clean because these things she's doing is still going to come back and hurt her one way or the other. And you know, I'm even angry. I'm most angry because she has brought children through this adultery, through this kind of things around. She has brought children to this world, and these children forever are going to have this curse on their heads, because the sins of the father lives with children. You go do something, you go die, your own don't pass, but your children will be living after it. Do you understand me? Your children will be living after it. That is even the part that is making me angry. These children are innocent. They've come back to the world and they are going to live with the sins of their parents. Do you understand? Because nobody knows tomorrow. But are they going to go scot-free? Hell no. God of justice will truly fight, because God of justice is not in fighting, because in any way you want, any way, shape and form you want to say it, what they did is not good. That is just it. This one was a married to a man, this one married to a woman. They came together and they've been committing adultery. So it's whatever they did in any way, shape and form is wrong. Do you understand? So if you're there and supporting them, it means you're evil in the heart. And if you come to the comment section, people that are actually supporting them, if you slightly say this thing you're supporting will come back to your child or your sister, they will start forbidding it. Why are you forbidding it if it's good? If it's actually good, why are you supporting it? Let your sister or your child be in mate's position, then you can come back and talk. Okay, you can come back and talk about men having right to marry 100 wives and 10 wives. Thank you guys. This is what I just came to draw for you guys. Share this video, like and subscribe, because no woman that the heart is pure will like the situation. Bye.